Today we're going to be talking about past, present, and future tenses. Okay, the trick with verb tenses are the answers in past, present, future tense. Look for a date and answer accordingly. Are you seeing a pattern of ed, IER, or ing? Okay. How you answer the question, how you figure that out is snow falls last night, or excuse me, snow falls outside the window. That would be present tense. Snow will fall tonight. That would be future tense. Had fallen, snow had fallen last night would be past tense, or snow had fell last night, which would be past tense, okay? And what is the date we're looking at right here? 2012. What is that? Past, present, or future? That would be past tense. So we're going to cross this one out and this one out because those are your two nonsense answers. Now it's going to be fell or had fallen. Remember our kiss. We would say fell would be easier. Let's see if it sounds okay. Some of it drifted over Greenland in giant plumes of smoke and then fell as particles onto the ice sheet. That sounds fine. We're going with that one. Okay. So the next one, because philosophy teaching students. Ooh, that sounds awful. Okay. Because philosophy teaches students not what to think, but how to think. That doesn't sound bad. Because philosophy to teach students. Ooh, that's awful. Because philosophy and teaching students not what to think. That's awful too. So it would have to be the teaches. All right. In recent years, public libraries in the United States have experienced reducing. Ooh. Notice this is ed and this is ing. You should not have an ed and an ing next to each other. That would not make sense. So let's get rid of the ing and the ing. Also, experienced is a verb, action word, and reducing or deducting is a verb. You can't have a verb on top of a verb. That would be bad. So we're looking for a subject. In recent years, this would be the subject. In the United States have experienced reductions in their operating funds. Okay, that sounds pretty good. Or public libraries in the United States have experienced deducts in their operating funds. That sounds awful. So it would have to be reductions. Okay, the next one. I'm seeing ing. What do we think we're going to do? Okay, let's try the ing. I would say ing right here, so let's try it. Librarians must now be proficient curators of electronic information, compiling, cataloging, and updating these collections. It would have to be that one. All right. So studies have shown that employees are happier, healthier, and more productive when they work. That sounds great just the way it is. I got IER here and IER here. I don't know. Let's try. Studies have shown that employees are happier and they are productive when they work. No, that one. Studies have shown that employees are happier, healthier, being more productive. That doesn't sound right either. So it would have to be that one. But usually if it sounds okay to your ear, go with it. It's going to be the right answer. All right, so here we go. ED, and then we have an ing. Would we do that? I would say ed. Let's just go with the ed. And of course, we're going to keep it simple. We're not going to add extra words in there unless it sounds weird. The centerpiece of the work was dominated by images of Native people being oppressed and included an eagle symbolizing the United States. Okay, so included. Okay, so that sounds good. We're going to keep it that way. I see a date. 1875. That's going to be past. So brought is past. Bringing, nope. Brings, has brought. Well, I think it sounds just fine the way it is. In 1875, Tweed escaped from jail and fled to Spain and unwittingly brought about one final pinnacle. I think that not has brought. Has brought would turn it into present tense. So it would have to be this one.